Information about replacement candidates. Political parties are not entitled to formally nominate candidates for voter nominated offices. The office of governor is a voter nominated office. A candidate running for a voter nominated office shall have their qualified party preference or lack of qualified party preference stated on the ballot, but the party preference designation is selected solely by the candidate and is shown for the information of the voters only. It does not mean the candidate is endorsed by the party designated or that there is an affiliation between the party and candidate. In the County Voter Information Guide, parties may list the replacement candidates for the office of governor who have received the party's official endorsement. Voters, regardless of their party preference or lack of party preference, may vote for any replacement candidate. The party preference, if any, designated by a replacement candidate is selected by the candidate and is shown for the information of the voters only. It does not imply that the candidate is endorsed by the party or that the party approves of the candidate.